You Were a Fraction by Trisha Shaskan. If You Were a Fraction. One half, if you were a fraction. You would always be a part of something. You could be one wedge of an apple. You could be two pieces of pie. You could be three wedges of a pear. You could be 4 slices of pizza. If you were a fraction, you would be one or more equal parts of a whole. 1/2, 1/8, 1/4. The hungry hippo eats a fraction of every pizza on the buffet table. He takes 1/2 of the vegetarian pizza. That's 1/2 of the vegetarian pizza. 1/8 of the sausage pizza. 1/8 of the sausage pizza. And 1/4 of the cheese pizza. That's 1/4 of the cheese pizza. I can infer that the hungry hippo loves the vegetarian pizza more because he takes 1/2 of the vegetarian pizza. I can infer that he loves the sausage pizza the least because that is the smallest piece that he took from the buffet table. If you were a fraction, you could be divided into 3 equal parts. You would be thirds. 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 equals 3/3, which equals a whole. Jenny juggles 3 red balls. 1 ball falls. Jenny has dropped 1/3 of the balls. Jenny has how many balls left? 2/3. 1/3 plus 1/3 equals 2/3. Joey juggles 3 green balls. 2 balls fall. Joey has dropped 2/3 of the balls. How many balls does Joey have left? 1/3. 2/3 plus 1/3 equals 3/3. If you were a fraction, you could be divided into 2 equal parts. You would be halves. 1/2 plus 1/2 equals a whole. The zany zebra's flag is 1/2 white and 1/2 black. The loopy leopard's flag is 1/2 yellow and 1/2 black. The proud peacock's flag is 1/2 green and 1/2 purple. 1/2 plus 1/2 equals 1 whole. If you were a fraction, you could be divided into 4 equal parts. You would be fourths. One window has 4 equal parts or panes. If one pane is broken, 1/4 of the window is broken. That leaves us with 3/4 of the window that is not broken. If 3 panes are broken, 3/4 of the window is broken. If you were a fraction, you could be divided into 8 equal parts. You would be 8. Robin slices a raspberry pie into 8 pieces. Each bird gets 1 piece. Each bird gets 1/8 of the pie. 1/8 plus 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 1/8 equals 8/8, which equals 1 whole. Half of the pizza would be 4/8. Half of the pie would be 4/8. This is equivalent to 1/2. Half of the pie. Each robin would receive 1/8 of the pie, and the pie would be gone. If you were a fraction, you could be divided more than once. You would be 1 unit subdivided into equal parts. Josie and Jackie split the yummy candy bar. They each have 1/2. Then Johnny and Joey show up. Josie and Jackie split each part again. Now the candy bar is in 4 pieces. Josie, Jackie, Johnny, and Joey each have 1/4 of the candy bar. If you were a fraction, you could be part of a set. A set is a group that has something in common. Louis the Tiger Trainer has a set of 3 flaming hoops. Fanny the Tiger jumps through the first flaming hoop, or 1/3 of the set. Fanny jumps through the second flaming hoop. Fanny has now jumped through 2/3 of the set. Fanny jumps through the third flaming hoop. Now Fanny has jumped through 3/3 of the set, or 1 whole set. If you were a fraction, you could be compared with other fractions. But Buttercup and Betsy make 6 cookies. Buttercup gets 1 of the 6 cookies. She has 1/6 of the cookies. Bud gets 2 of the 6 cookies. He has 2/6, or 1/3 of the cookies. Betsy gets 3 of the 6 cookies. She has 3/6, or 1/2 of the cookies. 3/6 and 1/2 is equivalent. 1/3 and 2/6 is equivalent. 1/6 is the smallest of the 3 fractions. Buttercup has the fewest cookies. 3/6 is the largest of the 3 fractions. Betsy has the most cookies. You would always be part of the whole if you were a fraction. But you cannot be a fraction because you are a whole.